Welcome to the Revit Template Training Video's Ultimate Revit Template video series. My name is Kristen, and in this video, we will be going over the documentation standards for the Ultimate Revit Template and its variants. On the documentation standards sheet, under the User Guide heading, you will see different documentation options and examples. This first area shows 3 partition diagram options for your use. The first option includes a drafting view showing a generic wall representation. A link schedule, which includes the different built components of each wall type, will populate as walls are placed in the model area. For different wall types, you can create unique drafting views as needed to match options included in your model. The second option is a view of a live wall modeled on the Mariana Trench level. This wall is then tagged using material keynotes. The material schedule shown for each wall type displays the material information that is coordinated with the material keynotes. You can update the material information in the material schedule or the material section of Revit under the Manage tab. The final option uses lines and detail components to show the representation of each wall type and uses text boxes to call out the different wall elements. You can read the pros and cons of each option in the blue text below. Exterior assemblies are shown here with 2 different options. A third option is available in the template, but not shown as one of the 2 recommended examples. Both of these options are created using lines and detail components. The left option shows larger section cut areas and more detailed text information, while the right option is a more compact example. To create new exterior assemblies using either option, simply duplicate the type you wish to replicate and modify as needed for your project. This center area shows the naming standards used for the different wall partition examples, as well as exterior assembly examples. In this template, we recommend using the Mariana Trench to host live elements to be used in creating live legend diagrams. This section of the documentation standards shows an example using legend components and an example using our recommended Mariana Trench process. Below these examples, you will see pros and cons of each, as well as some additional directions and explanations once you have chosen the best option for your team. This final area shows some additional things to know about splitting views, importing and managing details, as well as the difference between legend and drafting views. If you have any additional questions regarding the documentation standards set up in this template, please reach out to the Revit Template team.